So in this video, we will accomplish our activity in SAM 413 titled User Account Management and File Management System. Now for our first step is gagawa lang tayo ng standard user account by going to settings, then account section. Then we will select the other users. Then let's add an account and just click this. Then let's add a user without a Microsoft account. Then fill out the required fields. Then just click next. And i-make sure lang natin na yung ginawa nating account is standard user, yung account type niya. And as you can see naman is standard user siya by default. Now for this step 2 is magkikreate lang tayo ng new folder. Then let us rename it test folder. And after that is lalagyan lang natin siya ng sample file sa loob. Now for this step 3 is i-add lang natin yung standard user sa folder's permission. So to do this, let us right click the folder, go to the properties, security tab, then i-click lang natin yung edit, add, then i-type lang natin yung standard user's name, then click OK, then apply. Now for our test 4 is i-test natin yung delete permission ng standard user. So lock lang natin yung PC natin, then login tayo ulit as the standard user. Then hanapin natin yung folder na ginawa natin kanina. Then try natin i-delete yung content nito. So as you can see, we cannot delete it because we need the administrator permission. Now for the step 5 is i-encrypt lang natin yung folder. So mag-login lang tayo ulit as an administrator. Then right click the folder, properties, so sa general tab is makikita natin doon yung advanced. Then check lang natin yung encrypt contents to secure data, then click apply, then OK. Then lock lang natin yung PC natin and mag-login lang tayo ulit as the standard user para matest natin kung na-encrypt ba talaga yung file na to. Then hanapin lang natin ulit yung document. So now ita-try natin siya i-open. Then as you can see, we cannot open it because na-encrypt na nga siya ni admin. Now for this step 6 is i-change lang natin yung standard user's permission. So mag-login lang tayo ulit as the admin. Right click lang natin yung folder and then let us go to properties and security tab. Select lang natin yung standard user, then we'll click the edit. So in the permission list is i-check lang natin yung modify, then yan select natin yung read, then click apply, then OK. Now let's try yung mga new restriction na in-apply natin sa standard user natin. So first we will log in, of course, then hanapin lang natin yung sample folder natin. Then we will open the docu, and as you can see, we can't open it because of the restriction na in-apply natin kanina. Now we'll try to delete it, and it's deleted, which means na gumana yung mga restrictions na ginawa natin kanina. Then we will try to log in again as an administrator for the next step. Now for the next step is tatanggalin na natin yung password ni standard user and i-delete na rin natin siya. So first, let's open the control panel. Then select the user account. Then user accounts. Then change or manage another account. Then standard account. Let's change the password and iwan lang natin siya na blanco, and as the hint, let's type blank. Then let's try it. And as we can see is wala na siyang password. Now for the proper procedure of deleting our standard user account is isa-sign out muna natin siya. Now let's proceed to deleting the standard account. So let's log in back as the admin first. Then let's go to control panel, user accounts, select the user accounts again, then manage another account, then select the standard account, then let's delete it. As you can see, wala na siya, and just to confirm is we will sign out, then check the standard user account, and as we can see is wala na siya.